Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix keyboard size Android. So let's head over and type something. So as you can see right now our keyboard has opened. What you can do is to just click the three dots in here and you should see something like keyboard height. But if you don't see that, then you can click this icon right here, which is the gear icon, and this is the settings of our keyboard. So I'm using Gboard on my Android, but if you're using other keyboard, then you can just head over to their settings like what I'm doing in here. And then after that, you just need to click this preferences right here. And in here you can see the keyboard height. As of now, the keyboard height is tall. You can make it extra short, short, mid short, normal, mid tall, or extra tall. So let's make it short. And let's head over again to a search engine, and as you can see right now our keyboard height has shrinked and it's not tall as before. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.